Okay.
Hello, beautiful people. As you see, our baby has arrived. Okay, so this is our beautiful baby. It's a girl, beautiful baby girl. Thank you, Philip. Philip for only now.
This was how Emanuela looks like.
Emanuela.
That was why in the scan we said Emanuela. Beautiful people, good morning. Thank you for joining us. As you can see, we are now 5. Hey, Emanuela now has a younger sister. Yes. Emanuela, how did you say it? Baby. Philip. Philip. How did you see baby?
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. Baby is sleeping.
Mommy, it's what?
Busy baby, busy baby.
It's what?
Busy baby. JJ. Ọwọ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n tuntun, ọwọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n tuntun.
Ṣé ti jẹun báyìí?
Ọwọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n náà tuntun.
Mo ní ṣé ti jẹun.
Mo fẹ́ jẹun.
Máa yẹ jẹun.
Bá gbé lómi yẹn wá.
Kókó yẹn kọ́.
I want to eat. Should I eat small food? I want to eat.
This is indomie and egg with scent leaf. Philip. Yeah,
Is it hot?
Ghana.
Eat now, maybe it's hot. Ó fẹ́ gbé bébì ni.
Philip gba.
Small Emanuela. Ṣé dókítà ti wá nígbà tí mo jáde? Okay. Kò sí ìyọnu dáadáa ni o.
Ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ́mọ tá máa gẹ̀rí ọmọ mọ́lé. Àbúrò tẹ́ máa pọ̀ ló ti dé. Ṣọ́mọ àti bàbá wò mọ́. Àwọn jẹ́ ìdí ọ̀pọ̀ mọ̀. Ọmọ náà bá dé yọ ẹ̀.
Dáadáa ni o.
Kò sí ìyọnu.
Dáadáa ni o.
Mama, what are you? What's the day?
Mommy, you're sleeping.
No, Lara.
Where's sleeping? Yes.
So, beautiful people, we are home now. So, I'm taking hot pap. This is our beautiful baby. Boom, boom, boom. Maele wà ní blonblo tẹ́tù sọ́mọ lára báyìí. Ẹgbẹ́ yẹ́lò kúrò ń bẹ̀. It's not good.
And this one is not good. Is this and this one is good? They are good. And this one is, they are short. Give me this one. These are just two. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It is a bit...
No, say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
This one, Emanuela Carbon Coffee. Emanuela, this is how you look like.
Gentle woman.
So, beautiful people, as you can see, we are back home and
Manela ló bá gbé ọkọ wa.
Kókó ṣì wà.
A ní ọkọ nílé. Má fi
So this is
kókó dé ọkọ.
You got sleep.
Yes.
His sleeping is old.
It's cool weather.
It's cool weather. The weather is
We enter
cool.
inside rain.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, we are back home.
We are back
We need to take
now.
some rest. Over the night. Over the night, it was around is it not 3 o'clock at Debe? Yeah.
No. Around 11 we reach hospital.
Yes,
So,
around 11.
I found
Yes. So we got to the hospital around 11, and she gave birth 5
Yes.
a.m.
4. Not 4.
It's 4. It's 4 years. This is the first.
Uh-huh.
Then
Okay, because time tí mo gbọ́ sound.
Around 4.
Okay, yeah.
Baby,
Around 5 minutes past. 5 minutes past. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Baby, say bye-bye.
Mommy, say bye-bye.
Tell them bye-bye.
My pikin say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You want to do like this? Mommy, see. Mommy, like this. Mommy's.
The cold is too much.